Hey guys, we are going to start our coffee painting today. For that coffee painting, what we have done, you remember that we have taken this coffee, and in coffee, actually, 2 spoons of coffee is dissolved in 6 spoons of water. Okay, see, this is your solution. It should be like this ideally. Okay, and I'll show you a few things first and then we will go ahead. Okay, what I wanted to show you is I have used this Leviota coffee out here, which is instant coffee, and it just dissolves and gives you great color. I had even Nescafe. I had just dissolved 1 spoon of Nescafe into 3 spoons of water, but water is evaporated, so don't you worry about it. We can just add a small quantity of water into it whenever we want to use. So before using it, remember, just add few drops and just keep it wet. Okay, we need some dark solutions, that's why I'm not disturbing this. And then what I have done is I have even filter coffee. You must have heard that there is a chorus coffee, and it's actually soaked overnight and had for coffee. So what am I going to do is I'm going to just sieve it. Okay, why am I showing you this is all is because every coffee has different color. So if you take any brands of coffee, maybe Nescafe, maybe Brew, maybe any different cut of coffee, so it will have different impact on color. Okay, it will not give you the same color or same dark shade color. And always remember that before even taking your any instant coffee, just ground it well and take it. Now I want to show you what is the difference between these three types. So what I'll take, one thing is I'll take my canvas. I have a book, entire book out here, so I'll just even fold a book. Just keep it ready. Okay. Now what we are going to do is I'll just show you. I have different types of brush out here. Okay, let me just take my, grab it. Okay. Okay, this is my tray. I have really many brushes, but I have selected, like, you need to have one 0 point brush for the border, or anything which is very peculiar about. And then this is, like, you can see 3, 4, 5 number brush works the same. I have a big brush, I have a more big brush, and I have a small cute palette. So I'm going to take it, and I always keep tissue papers handy. I have just dedicated small tissue paper roll because I find it very difficult to otherwise wipe out the brushes. So this is a hosiery cotton cloth, and even I have kept that for better absorbable, because maintaining brushes, guys, is very important in any kind of art. Okay, so now what we are going to do is I'll just take this 5 number brush, and I'll show you, because otherwise it will be very light for you. So I have taken this coffee which you have already dipped. How it looks, I'm just dipping it, and I'll just make a streak. See. Okay, this is a coffee which is overnight soaked, and now I will show you a different coffee. So I'll just have to wash it. Okay, this is different coffee which we were talking about, right? So we are going to just mix that thing and see. The texture is different. Can you see this? And now the third and the filter coffee, which we call, which we just took it and soaked again overnight. It will give you every light color. See, and it will have some chorus background, so you need to see it again and again and again. So see how much light shades. And why we do need these light shades is because we are going to draw different textures with only one coffee. So I'll show you, because I have told you to only soak one type of coffee which was available with you at your home. So I'll show you how to, work with this itself. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to take this palette, and this is the main main color. So I'll just pour a small quantity out here. That's it. Then what I'll do is I'll increase the concentration of water. In the sense is, if I'm taking this one drop, I'll just take first one drop in everything. Okay, 2 drops maybe, so that you don't have to make it again and again. Now I will start with 2 drops concentration. Over here I will start with 2 drops, 2 drops of coffee, 3 drops of water. Now here again 2 drops of coffee, 4 drops of water. Okay, here 2 drops of coffee, 5 drops of water. Two drops of coffee, 6 drops of water. Okay, I'll rest it till you prepare it. Now I'm going to show you. I'll first work out with the light. See, now I have the darkest one out here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I know what is the concentration of droplets inside. So I'll go about it like this only, and I'll start with the lightest, because I want to show you the textures, how it gives you the textures of light to dark. So I will start with the coffee with number 6 drops of water and 1 drop of coffee. Okay, it's just like watercolor. Okay, again I wash my brush, dab it. Then we are going to, I'm just showing you guys. Don't you worry about it. You don't have to rush that you're going to be late or something. See, now what happened was my brush was not dry properly, so I need to wipe out my brush first, otherwise the texture will come light. It's like you add water, the texture will be light. Again you wipe it. Again you take it. And this is the original one. Okay, so if suppose concentration is not apt, or you're not getting this color, so what you can do is ask for a small bit of coffee, and just make sure that you are having a spoonful of this mixture, and dissolve it in new coffee, so that don't shake it. Don't shake it, so that it will be able to just adjust, and it will not form any foam, because forming foam or forming bubbles will hamper the painting. So you have understood this types of textures we can give. So don't you worry about it. Once you increase the key is like you increase the concentration of the coffee, the the thing will be darker, the drawing will be darker, the shade will be darker. You increase the water, the shade will be lighter. Second thing is that when you do a layering thing, see, I'll show you. This is a block which I'm making with the original paint of coffee. Okay, I let it dry. Okay, now this is that original one. So I'll just apply one more coat after drying, so it will also give you dark effect. See, one more coat, it's dark. See here, just be careful about these bubbles. They come and go, but if they come, they will form a blot, so you need to take them on the border and make them vanish. See, the same coffee. Generally, people do it on the watercolor paper or something like that. But right now, we are going to do it on the drawing paper. Okay. So now enough of this. Let's go ahead without wasting our time. Okay, guys. So I'm going to use this one only. I'm just going to use it horizontally. I hope it is visible to you all. And I'm going to do is like I'm going to use my 0 number brush. 0 number brush is very fine brush, or 0 or 1 number brush. I do have a solution out here which is a darker one. I have made it a darker solution, so I'll just use it to show you what is the difference. I want to create a landscape. Okay, I want to create a landscape, so I want to position my sun or my moon out here. So what I will do is I'll make just a round of it, a big round, because in that entire coffee painting, your sun or moon, whatever you're making, won't be visible otherwise. Okay, that's great. Okay. चांद पे दाग होते हैं, है ना? So we're just going to make it like this, and then how we are going to play is, okay, I'm again using my number 5 brush. Okay, then I'll just take some dark paint of our coffee, that is the original painting or original coffee which we have taken. We are just going to take it and we are just going to apply it on the borders. Amply apply, don't think. Okay, just don't think. It's just for your enjoyment. You are going to enjoy this process, so you need to understand that, wow, my coffee painting is going to look great. And just make sure that you need to work very, very fast with this coffee, because if a fan is really on, I have just switched on the fan to show you, it just dries instantly. So whatever strokes, see, if you have given this strokes, it will be really like you can see those strokes immediately. I'll show you how to make texture, but you first apply the canvas with darker coffee, or your coffee, normal coffee painting mixture of yours. We'll make the border of moon darker later on, don't you worry about it. जस्ट अप्लाई. कुछ थोड़ा सा पार्ट इसके ऊपर आ गया चांद के ऊपर आपके, तो डोंट वरी, बिकॉज चांद को बादल ढक जाते हैं, है ना. सो just enjoy and just work very, very fast, because just completing this canvas will take you otherwise a lot of time. Just cover up with horizontal strokes. Everything looks good, guys, when we make, okay? Always remember this fact. Everything looks good. Whatever you create is going to look good. Have this confidence in your mind and everything will work out, Art is just like, you can say, you can say a parent or mom, dad, uh, whom you just like love, and once you love them, they just give you back without thinking anything, right? So art also gives you so many things. Once you start giving in your concentration, your love to art, it will surely give you back. Okay, now this blotches you are seeing is, it doesn't matter right now, but the blotches you're seeing is because I was sweating a lot and I had kept my hand over this. So with the salt it gave me this texture. Okay, so be careful guys, but in summers you don't have options. Fast 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 fast, चलते हैं, let's complete it. Jaldi jaldi. Okay. La 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 la. ज़मीन दिखानी है, आसमान दिखाना है, सब कुछ दिखाना है, राइट? I'll show you what I'm doing later, or rather you will see. Just cover this all up and keep this background at just nearby, because we are not going to use it right now, okay, because it is just wet and we can't just keep on covering up the wet thing. So let it dry, it will be more darker. So see, this is just a dark background which we have got, and I have told you to take up some quantity of coffee and add up your what do you call it, small, like 1 spoon of coffee and 2 spoons of water in it. So we are going to keep it ahead, I mean keep it aside. I have Nescafe out here, and then I have even soaked up the different coffee, so we are just going to use it. Now let me show you something very different, or what you can do, which I generally love to do, with my coffee painting. Okay, so I just take this dark coffee. What I generally do is, with when I want to work out like this, I take this, and in middle of my palette I take some water. Okay, now it has also become coffee color because I need to dilute it. I'll show you how to draw flowers. I love to draw roses basically. So let's start. Okay, can you see this? Okay guys, just start fast, okay? We don't have much time, okay? So we are just going to take this curvature. Okay, we are going to make this U shape, inverted U shape, okay guys? Then we are going to cover that U with bigger U. Cover that U with bigger U. See? I just love it. I love art actually, Then I need to do is I need to spread this up. So what I'm going to do is I just tip my tip of brush and voila. See? I've got the shade. See? Okay. Now I want, like, inner side should be darker. So I am going to put coffee inner side. Fast. Now this is going to be again converted with U, but slightly bigger, broader U. Okay. Remember guys, when you have this water, it will give you shade. Only coffee which is dried up will not give you shade. So always remember, make a darker solution, make a concentrated solution initially, and then go on lighting it. So before lightening this, I'm going to do is, like, this is bigger U. I'm going to just draw another U here, and compassing this both, I'm going to draw it here. Okay. Chalo, 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 jaldi. Let's make it fast. We don't have entire time of the day. And we need to learn so much, right? Okay, we are just going to take water and then spread it. See? Just take a layer of water touching to the borders. Go ahead. Don't think कि oh my god मेरे color क्या होगा, मेरा color ज़्यादा spread हो जाएगा. No, just play with it. It's going to look beautiful, guys. Any art, okay, any art just looks beautiful because you need to create it beautifully. If your mind is into your art, you will create a beautiful masterpiece. Everybody, trust me, everybody is artist. Okay, again, now we have made this rose. We are going to just make few, see, this kind of petals. Like, we need to give it a realistic look. So okay, guys, fast. What I generally happens to me is when I start doing my art, I get engrossed. It's just like magical concentrating meditation for me, and I love it. Basically, whenever I am stressed, I just don't do anything. I take up my diary, I write it down, or I will I'll just take some canvas, any paper, any color, whatever, like sketch pen ho या कॉफ़ी हो, कुछ भी चल जाता है मुझे. And I just keep on doodling, scribbling around and playing around with colors, because what happens is just it is just a medium of expression, guys. Okay, it's going to give you that beautiful feeling of relaxation, and relaxing yourself doesn't require age. Okay, so though you are small, if you inculcate this habit, remember, Madhura auntie or Madhura ma'am have already told you that if you want to inculcate habit, so you have to practice that daily for at least 21 days. So if you do it for 21 days, it is in your genes, guys. Genes means, yes, that's right. It's habitual genes, not in your denim jeans which you wear, okay? See, it's so beautiful. Okay, now we are going to create fast few roses, some like small buds. We are just going to create them. See, just make use, and then I'm going to give it a illusion, thoda sa bada. Okay, I'm just going to give. And remember, in coffee, wherever you keep those grains, it is going to look beautiful. Like, if suppose you think that, oh my God, यहाँ पे dark रह गया, यहाँ पे light. No, 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 no. Just leave it. Just play with your brush fast and just leave it. Create something beautifully, okay? Okay. Now it's done. I'm going to make few here. Leaves like structure. Okay. We all know how a rose looks, okay? So just make the borders and we'll fill it later. Just show you, just work fast. Okay. Hands-on concentration, guys. Remember, nature gives you inspiration, okay? So it's going to look fantabulous. Just join it, join it, join it, or let it be. You can correct it anyhow, anytime. Because fan is off, it's not drying up, okay? If fan is on, it will instantly dry, okay? And I don't want you to just sweat. So I'll show you something very interesting also. Okay, now I had taken the same brush, so I'll just keep that brush aside. I'll take a bigger brush, a slight bigger brush. I'll just dip it in the water. Okay, I have a bigger brush than this, so I'll use our traditional this brush. It helps more. Okay. Okay. I'll take water. I'll just go beside the water. See. I'll just give a line. I'm just giving it a line. Okay. For the outer surface. Chalo. Just dip it in water and apply. That's why we had kept it rested for some time, so that you should realize how it looks even after keeping and smudging it all. Okay. I can color this entire bird. See, this bird was not having any color. Coffee is you're using just like watercolor. So when you use water, the concentration of more water will increase, or decrease the color concentration in your pigmentations or in your painting. It's the same like that. And remember, it just looks beautiful. It's like if you have even a distorted, it's just you feel like, oh my god, ye kya ho gaya. No, 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 it is going to look beautiful. Don't worry, you are going to make masterpieces, guys. I'm just so much have seeing potential into you that yes, you can be great artist. You can just pick it up as a hobby. Just don't sweat, or just don't fret about it. Oh my god, it's going wrong, it's going right. No, there is nothing wrong and right in art. I'm telling you again and again. Okay, guys. So now, yeah, I'll just show you something very cute and in the front out here. See, this is your structure is formed. Now I'll show you one simple diagram, or, if you want to give some wrapping paper to your friend, what you can do is, okay, I have just taken, see, this is cute, okay? I have taken this A4 size sheets. Yesterday also we had taken this. I'm just showing you, you may practice or you may not practice. This is the, okay, where is our concentrated thing? Okay, this is our concentrated thing. So we are going to take and just make lines. Okay, I'm just going to show you how you can make a packing paper. Even you can practice this on your newspapers, okay guys? And on newspaper you can make such kind of patterns, and you can grab them and give them to the people rather than using the plastic paper, okay? Or you can make beautiful greeting cards out of this. See, I'm just making like a bamboo type or leaves type pattern. I love leaves. Okay, I'm botanist. Botanist is somebody who studies plants. Okay, I have studied plants till my masters. I have studied management studies. Even I have studied psychotherapy and counseling. But I still, what my heart lies in is my plants. So I, wherever I go, I just get connected to them. Okay, so I'm just showing you. See. Just make this any kind of pattern. I'm just showing you. Okay. This is one kind. You can, just be creative and go ahead anything, any way rather. Okay. Just make the spirals, just like blooming buds of ferns. See? Or you can just go with any pattern for that case. I'm just trying to draw a dandelion. Okay, and just keep it. Doesn't matter. Or give few leaves, few broader leaves to it. Okay. Just play with it, guys. It's just so much fun. Okay, I hope it is done. Now I have taken this is dried, very much dried. See, it has become dark. So if you, I'll show you the textures also later. But now what I have to work out with is I'm just going to make a plant. Okay, so I need a very much zero color brush, zero number brush. I'll just take some water in this and I'm going to draw. just एक पहले पेड़ की नीचे वाला पार्ट या you can say a trunk निकाल दो थोड़ी सी because it should not look mismatch. Okay, and then go with, so we are just going to draw the trunk first, then okay, you're going to cover up the trunk. Now to this pattern, just make 2 branches, 3 branches. just make V shapes. Guys, this is known as like one branch into two branches is always known as trichotomous branching. Okay, it's just spreads. Ek ka do is always called as trichotomous branching in botanical word. So we are just going to complete it fast. Okay, la 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 la. Okay, now you need to understand that you have to take a bit of coffee, because it's like you just can't have less color in the brush. Okay, remember, you have to take good quantity or good amount of color and just keep on doing it. Now, this is a branch, so we are going to make it a bit thicker. These effects can be added later also. So first make the primary thing. I know guys, what are you thinking, कि ये ज़रा ज़्यादा ही नहीं हो रहा है. But the thing is, see, if you have to go for one painting, you will have to give this much time, I hope you are not getting bored. Is anybody getting bored? Just type in fast, guys. Just let me know, are you getting bored or you are loving it? If you are loving it, type in love, or type in awesome. See, this is how I'm trying to simplify the things. You can make Buddha, you can make n number of things with this coffee painting, but I wanted to show you something which you can try and easily can be taught online, because I know it's just an introduction, and when the introduction is good, somebody builds up the interest, and if you're not able to otherwise catch it up, your interest will loosen. So that's why I'm trying to make it simple, jaan booj ke, you can say, simple but attractive. Art can be simple and attractive, so that you can try your hand in future and enjoy your creativity, your creative side. Start with it and you will love it. कोई नहीं है, मतलब like you can reach the skies, जितना चाहिए जैसे चाहिए वैसे पेंट करो, that types. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show it just a trunk shape structure. एक होल है यहाँ पे और ये ऐसे नीचे इसको join हो गया. Want to show few things like if let us assume this is a bench. Okay, cover it up fast, and you make a big round. Okay, this round here, and just make it like this shape. Okay, and we can give a small dot here that is representing you. This is your mom, this is your dad, and it's you. And if you have one sibling, I don't have any sibling, so I'm just going to show myself alone out here with my mom and dad. So they both love me, so I'm going to show one hand like this, one hand like this. I am like standing beside them on a bench or on some platform or on some rock. Okay, you can give any structure to it. Now the color was extra, so I am just wiping it off. Okay, it's just representation as I told you, and then again I'm going to try and sign Raju out here. Okay, if I want to show some bushes, how I will show them, I'll just take some color, dab 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 dab, dab the color, dab the color, dab the color. Okay, okay, now I want to show some grasses. I will just make streaks. Okay, you can go on making some streaks around if you want to, like, you know, small dark. I'm just showing you the textures. Okay, don't make everything in one picture. Okay, I'm just showing you because I have only one canvas right now and I want to show you something extra. Okay, now for the skyline of clouds, you're just going to, you know, give it this, just some clouds. Okay, so I hope this is done and you have liked it, guys. Just let me know how